Part 1. How to restore deleted files from recently deleted folder. If you want to recover files within 30 days after deleting them, you can find and restore them in the recently deleted folder of the respective app. Here, we take the Photos app as an example. Step 1. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the Albums tab at the bottom and then pick the recently deleted album. Step 3. You will see all deleted photos and videos there. Select the pictures you wish to restore and hit the Recover button. After that, it will restore the photos to the photo's original album. Part 2. How to restore deleted files from iTunes backup. If you have backed up your iPhone to your computer using iTunes before data loss, you can restore the deleted files from the iTunes backup. Note that it will overwrite the existing data on your iPhone. Step 1. Run the latest version of iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. If asked, unlock your iPhone and click Trust on it. Then tap the iPhone icon when it appears in the iTunes window. Step 3. Click Restore Backup under the Summary tab and pick an appropriate backup file according to the date. Step 4. Tap Restore to sync the backup content to your iPhone. Please keep your device connected before the syncing process is over. Part 3. How to retrieve deleted data from iCloud backup. Likewise, you can also restore the deleted files from iCloud backup if you have previously backed up your iPhone data to your iCloud account. However, this method will reset your iPhone. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and open Settings General Reset. Step 2. Tap the Erase All Content and Settings option and confirm the operation. After erasing your device, it will restart. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up as new. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, tap the Restore from iCloud Backup option and pick the most recent backup file from the list. Step 4. Click the Restore button to restore the iCloud backup file to your iPhone fully. Part 4. How to recover deleted files using Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery selectively. Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery can help users recover deleted files with or without a backup. Moreover, compared to the official iCloud and iTunes recovery methods, it supports selective recovery of specific data instead of the entire backup, and it doesn't require resetting the iPhone, so the original data remains unaffected. 4.1. Recover from iOS device. Step 1. Start by downloading and running this program on your computer. Then, connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. When prompted with Trust this computer, on your iPhone tap Trust. Step 2. Once your iPhone is connected successfully, choose the type of data you want to recover. Click Start Scan to begin the scanning process. Step 3. After the scan is complete, browse through the available file types and preview the detailed data. Select the items you wish to recover and click Recover to Computer to save the files to your computer. 4.2. Restore from iTunes backup. Step 1. Download and open this tool on your computer and select the Recover from iTunes backup file mode on the left panel. Next, select a backup file from the list and tap Start Scan. Note, if you cannot find the file you want, hit the select icon below to choose the iTunes backup file from other customized folders. Step 2. Choose the data types you wish to restore on the data selection interface and hit the Start Scan again. Step 3. After scanning, click the file type you want to restore on the left window, preview and tick off the desired items on the right window, and tap the Recover to Computer button to restore them to your computer. 4.3. Retrieve from iCloud backup. Step 1. Open the tool and select the Recover from iCloud mode. Then, sign in with your Apple ID. If two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the verification code received on your iOS device and click Verify to continue. Step 2. Once logged in, choose the types of files you want to recover. Then, click the next icon to start a quick scan. Step 3. Click a category on the left panel and preview the specific items in the right panel. Select the ones you want to recover to your computer, and then click the Recover to Computer button.